This one is going to be all about milling lumber to build a woodshed for the offcut. We're going to use concrete blocks and saddles, and all the lumber to build it will come off the mill. We're going to start milling the floor supports today and get the concrete piers in place, and then we'll get to framing. So we've done the rough end, and since we're putting pier blocks down, I really only need to make sure that the 6 places where the pier blocks are going to be are actually level, and we're close enough for the, we're going to go 10 feet deep by 16 feet wide, 8-foot ceiling. Well, I've gone ahead and squared up 2 sides, and my goal will be to get 2 4x8s, and those will be our 2 of our cross members for our deck. Those are all cut square. Now they all need to be cut to length. So now I'm going to slide this way until that board drops in. Is it in?
Yeah.
Tight?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Yes.
That was genius. God, I do some God. Yep. Not bad.
This is going to wrap this one up. We went ahead and built the beams and then the decking, got everything assembled, nailed down, and then trimmed. You'll see in the upcoming videos how it's all going to get put together. But overall, I really enjoyed this project so far. It's been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you got a lot out of this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.